Here is a close look at the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Room Freshener Spray. This is in the scent Lemon Verbena. Absolutely love this spray. I'll go ahead and give it a quick spritz now so you can see how it works. The trigger is kind of small, but it has a very nice even spray. Just see here. And it does work fine on fabric, so you see I'll just spray the couch and it is just fine. Just keep in mind a few things. So for one, the scent is kind of strong, so if you're more sensitive to scents, maybe another scent would work better for you, or just a different product altogether. It just comes down to what your preferences are and what works well for you. Just keep that in mind. It's also not super long lasting, so if you want something to last for a long time, you don't want the scent to fade too quickly, you don't want to have to keep spraying over and over, this might also not be the best option. I think it lasts long enough, but it's not super long lasting. So honestly, those are my only complaints. But overall, I would definitely recommend it. It gives a very nice spray and I absolutely love it. I love the scent as well, and it certainly does the trick and removes any odors from the room.